Hey guys, Luke here, your digital concierge at Gramophone. Today we're going to be taking a look at a cool little product by BDI. This is the BDI Serif laptop table. You may remember our video on the BDI Stand's powered lift desk. Think about this as like a little brother, but just working manually instead of with power, and for serving smaller needs rather than for being a whole desk. This little unit is really high quality piece of furniture from BDI, just like everything that we expect from them. But the thing that impressed me most about it, solid steel and aluminum all around. So we're going to dive in, figure out the features of this great little product and how you can most conveniently set it up and use it in your home. But before we dive into it, make sure you guys get subscribed to the Gramophone channel. Click that bell notification icon down there so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming product highlights, instructionals, and much more. Now then, the BDI Serif and why this is such a unique side table. The first and foremost being, as I mentioned before, solid steel and aluminum construction all throughout, making this one seriously sturdy companion table. The other great feature of this table is its slim profile and how you have this offset in the primary cylinder. This allows the table to be used in a variety of ways, such as being the perfect TV tray for when you're just sitting on the couch. Being able to slide this foot under most couches would make for a perfect laptop table sitting in, say, like a single place chair, kind of like the stool I'm sitting on right now, or orienting it long ways would make for a perfect side table to keep any refreshments or anything that you need for work off to the side. The ways that you can use this little guy are almost endless, and here is the best feature. Remember when I mentioned the Stand's powered lift desk? Well, this is not powered, but it is most certainly adjustable and easily so. And you can adjust this anywhere from 20 inches to about 30 inches in height, making it, no matter where you're sitting, almost perfect. If you're sitting in your average chair, 30 inches is pretty much the perfect desk height. But if you're sitting a little bit lower, or you need this a little more out of the way, or to accommodate you based on what you are doing, put a little bit of your weight into it and it will come right down. For this reason, it can only support 25 pounds without shifting down, but with its purpose as a side table, that is more than enough weight. And the adjustability makes it so flexible for all of these different uses that it's hard to find a product this usable. BDI calls a lot of what goes into the design of this table Motion Plus because it's so easily adjustable, easily moved, yet when you set it, it is nice and sturdy because you have nylon feet on the bottom of the central foot here that hold it tightly to the ground and give it a good sense of support, balance, and general isolation and dampening. It doesn't transfer vibration up easily. It stays still and sturdy. It's a confidence-inspiring product in every facet of its construction. And man, that just feels good. The Serif is available in two different finishes that are very appropriately named. Today I have the salt finish with me, and you can imagine what the other one is. That's right, it's pepper. And to give a quick note on compatibility, it's a side table / laptop table. Anything that can fit on this surface that is under 25 pounds technically works, but you'll probably find it best for use as a really high-end TV tray, a laptop table, or a great side table for keeping a drink, any accessories for work, or a great place to drop your everyday carry items. For under $600, if you guys are looking for a very solid, sturdy, and just downright stylish and very usable, adjustable, versatile, you name it, kind of side or laptop table, start with the Serif. Its cool shape makes it blend into almost any more modern home, looking great, and its full range of use, from how well the shape is thought out and engineered to be able to slide under things, how you can adjust it from 20 to 30 inches, all of this makes it one of the most versatile products in this category that I've seen yet, and I kind of want one for myself. If you guys would like to pick one up for yourselves, head on over to Sky by Gramophone by clicking the link down below. You can check out securely and have one shipped fast and free straight to your door, and keep in mind we've got both salt and pepper for you. Also, make sure you guys give us a call and stop by our showrooms. You'll find us in Columbia, Timonium, and Gaithersburg. We also have a beautiful kitchen design center in Hunt Valley. You can find us on social media too. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Houzz, Twitter, and even a few others. Just check the links down below to see all of them. Also guys, while this is the video review of the Serif, we are also doing a how-to video on how to build the Serif. And while it is a very straightforward process, I just call out everything that you need to do and mention a few things that maybe you should know. So if you're looking at getting one of these tables, be sure to check that out too, because it'll make the build process all the easier for you. If you guys need help coming up with project ideas, if you need to schedule service requests, or you just want to speak to a hi-fi, home theater, and interior design expert, get inspired at Gramophone.com. Also, ask at Gramophone.com if you have any questions for me regarding anything you've seen here on this channel. And I like this table, it's a great armrest too. Alright guys, you know what's up. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. And of course, we always want to hear back from you guys. Tell me what you think of the stance, and tell me what you'd like to see from us in the future. Would you like to see more furniture related and how-to videos as well? Let me know. As always, thank you guys for watching. Be seeing you.